Are you looking to start an online business or a side hustle where you don't need followers and you don't have to post every day? Listen up. Local business owners are already paying for leads every single month. The question is, who owns the lead source? Most contractors rent leads from platforms or agencies, but there's another way. You can own a simple lead generating website that attracts customers searching for services right now. You can even build it yourself and don't need any tech skills at all. This is local lead generation model is called digital real estate or rank and rent. You build a simple focused website using AI around service and city searches, optimize it for Google, and route calls for service or estimate request forms to a local business owner who is desperate for more business. As an example, water heater repair in Greensburg. This matches buying behavior. People don't follow a plumber. They search, compare, and call. Think about this. You do the same thing whenever you're looking for a product or service too. The only hard part is choosing 1. The right service or niche, 2. The right city, and 3. The right keywords. I've been doing and teaching digital real estate for 6 years, and I put the starting steps into a free 27-page starter kit. If you want the free digital real estate starter kit, or you just want to get a deeper look at this business model, just click the link in my profile or comment kit, and I'll send you the link to download.